Did the fight for the future just begin? In an era marked by rapid technological advancements, social upheavals, and global governance challenges, the question arises, has the fight for the future just begun? This video will explore the implications of this query at the level of intelligence and comprehension expected of a graduate school student, delving into the multifaceted dimensions of the ongoing battle for a better tomorrow. 1. Technological advancement and artificial intelligence. The rapid progression of technology, particularly in the realm of artificial intelligence, AI, has sparked a profound intellectual struggle. As AI becomes increasingly ubiquitous, it presents both innovative opportunities and ethical concerns. Scholars and policymakers are grappling with complex questions regarding the regulation, safeguards, and potential ramifications of AI on various sectors, such as labor markets, privacy, and societal cohesion. 2. Climate change and environmental preservation. An additional battlefield of the future emerges from the existential threat of climate change. Climate scientists and activists have sounded the alarm, emphasizing the urgency of combating global warming. This fight necessitates a comprehensive and concerted effort to decarbonize economies, transition to renewable energy sources, and promote sustainable practices. The recognition of human-induced climate change as a globally shared challenge necessitates collective action and collaboration on an unprecedented scale. 3. Social justice and equality. The struggle for the future extends to the realm of social justice and equality. Societies worldwide are confronting deeply ingrained inequalities along racial, gender, and economic lines. Graduate school students, as critical thinkers and catalysts for change, are called upon to address systemic injustices through rigorous research, policy advocacy, and community engagement. The fight for an inclusive and equitable future lies at the heart of this battle. 4. Education and access to knowledge. Unlocking the potential of the future necessitates addressing issues surrounding education and access to knowledge. Educational systems need to evolve to equip individuals with relevant skills and competencies, empowering them to navigate an increasingly complex and technologically driven world. The digital divide remains a pressing issue, with disparities in access to information affecting marginalized communities. Bridging this gap is essential to ensure that all individuals have an equal opportunity to participate in shaping the future. 5. Global governance and multilateralism. The fight for the future extends to the international stage, where global governance and multilateralism are increasingly challenged. The rise of populism, nationalism, and unilateralism poses a threat to the collaborative efforts required to tackle pressing global issues. Graduate school students must engage in critical analysis and advocacy for effective international institutions and diplomatic relations to secure a future marked by cooperation and multilateral decision-making. 6. Geopolitical dynamics and geoeconomics. Geopolitical tensions and evolving geoeconomic landscapes contribute to the complexity of the fight for the future. The struggle for power and resources between nation-states introduces an element of competition that influences the trajectory of global development. Graduate school students must navigate this intricate web and promote dialogue, diplomacy, and conflict resolution to ensure a sustainable and peaceful future. 7. Healthcare and biotechnology. The future also encompasses the quest for advancements in healthcare and biotechnology. Researchers and policymakers face ethical dilemmas surrounding gene editing technologies, access to healthcare, and the equitable distribution of medical breakthroughs. Graduate school students must explore the potential and limitations of these emerging fields while advocating for responsible and inclusive practices to safeguard the well-being of future generations. 8. Economic inequality and technological disruption. Another dimension of the fight for the future revolves around economic inequalities exacerbated by technological disruption. Automation and artificial intelligence threaten conventional labor markets, raising concerns about job displacement and income disparities. It is imperative that policies and mechanisms aimed at mitigating these effects are developed, ensuring a just transition and inclusive economic growth. 9. Ethical considerations in emerging technologies. As the technological landscape continues to evolve, ethical considerations surrounding emerging technologies have profound implications for the future. Graduate school students are tasked with exploring the ethical dimensions of innovations such as genetic engineering, autonomous vehicles, and machine learning. By engaging in interdisciplinary conversations, they can contribute to the development of ethical frameworks that guide the responsible deployment of these technologies. In conclusion, the fight for the future is an ongoing battle that encompasses various dimensions. Technological advancements, coupled with environmental sustainability, global governance, ethics, economic disparities, healthcare, education, and social activism, intertwine to shape our collective destiny. As a graduate school student, our responsibility lies in actively engaging with these challenges, identifying potential solutions, and contributing to a future that is equitable, sustainable, and ethically conscious. Only by doing so can we hope to foster positive change and effectively address the imminent issues that lie ahead.